All right, guys.
So everybody gather around.
Nate's gonna go over the rules
So-
real quick.
Basically, pistols only. Everybody's around the cone. He'll blow the first whistle whenever he feels ready.
Could be
Scatter. Go wherever you want. Find cover. Do whatever you want. Can't shoot yet. When he blows the second whistle, at his discretion, you can start shooting. Now, when you get hit, you can either choose to try and come back and respawn, or you can sit out and watch the shenanigans. It's your choice.
Can you watch your shenanigans from where you sit and then get up at any point and touch that cone and come back in?
Yeah, as long as your hand's up. Second question.
So you can sit down, watch your shenanigans for a moment with your hand up without your mouth open, and you can go touch it
Without
after.
your mouth open.
Is this allowed as a phone?
No.
This isn't
No
Call of
knives.
Duty, Garrett. Shut your mouth.
No knives.
Hey, they allowed it CCC after your ass.
You can touch with it if you want to run against somebody with a pistol and touch them with a knife, but don't stab them.
No, I'm not going to be like, it's just going to be like,
Yeah.
this was really fun last time. Tony organized it last time, and it was
All
great.
right, guys, so everybody in touching the
Just tickle their
cone.
butthole with the knife.
And then when the first whistle goes off, you guys go. Everybody touching the cone.
Where's the boundaries at?
There is none.
Just combat town up here.
Okay, just combat down.
I'm running
Wait,
back.
before you blow the whistle, can I get my can of green gas?
No,
The next one.
screw it.
You need to come.
Everybody in.
You have to cover first. All right, fair game. Everyone's in.
I can with 2 hands, whereas a pistol.
Yeah, up in the town.
That's what I'm saying.
Guy, there's a building in
Oh, it's a 15-minute game. Sorry.
got one.
Hey, you shot him all the way over there?
Yes, sir.
Man, that was good.
He respawned. All right, so there are no boundaries. We could go around. Oh, wait a minute. There are boundaries. We have to stay in combat town.
What's up? What's up? What kind of gun does he have? It's up there shooting like that.
It shoots slow, though. That guy's gonna try and respawn.
Good shot.
Thank you. Sorry, guys. Trevor's going to the tower.
See it from the first floor. First floor tower.
Roger. Oh, over here, over here. They could hit that cone and move. They're right there. They're ready.
Up top. In that little building up there.
Yep, he's right behind the triangle building.
Wait, do you think I'm going to do that next cover to my 1 o'clock, 11 o'clock?
Yeah. Fuck.
Why don't you get off the cone?
Watch out.
I can't.
I got hit.
I'm a little fucking outnumbered by blue right now.
All right, Blue. Point your gun at someone. We're leaving. 3, 2, 1. Hey. Point your gun again.
We're leaving.
Right there. He's right there.
Hey, you got you. Oh shit! Where'd you get that from? Don't worry about it. Oh!
Move, move, move.
I got a live grenade in my hand, motherfucker. Don't drop it.
Hit. That was good. That was good.
How many are left?
Make way, please.
There's enough.
All right, how many blue are here?
Blow the whistle so we can all scatter and no shooting, and then blow the whistle again.
I'm gonna blow the whistle again. Everybody's gonna run. The second whistle is live game
I
again.
should drop the grenade right now.
Hit.
You're on my team, too.
Come on, dude. They're the non-blues, right?
Yeah.
You're both shot.
On your team, on your team. Dick.
I did what I had to do. Blue, we're blue.
Run the other way. Run the other way. Before more people get there, touch that and go that way. They will shoot you if
You're
you
on
go
me.
that way.
I just saw you creeping, so I shot.
Oh, that's the second blue person he's killed.
I don't even need to because I don't even see the armband.
You got to check for that, man. Blue, we're covering you.
Oh, fuck. Tower, tower, tower. Are they allowed over there? No, they're not. No. No.
Blue, we're covering you. Nice job.
Again?
He's on.
Oh, wait. Fuck. I forgot enough.
There's Trevor. He's in the back. He's running far building. Left side.
Oh my
excuse
God.
me.
1, 2, 3, go.
All three.
I was hit too. Oh yeah.
Oh, hi.
All right, boys.
Throw the grenade.
Oh.
Throw the grenade.
Fuck.
I'm on the thing. Don't you do it. I'll throw the grenade at you.
Does anybody see my green gas?
Negative.
Your tree. Yeah, closer to you.
Oh, hello. You scared the crap out of me.
All right, guys, I got some smoke.
You guys are all
Oh, fuck, I lost my knife. Oh, it's in my hand.
Watch out.
Go for it.
Oh wait, I'm trying to. I can't pull it.
That was your fucking
guys, he's on the other team. Don't give him back his gun.
He moved up building.
Back his gun. He asked you to hold it. He's the enemy. He's the enemy.
shadow.
Watch out. Hit.
He's on his team. Why would he shoot him?
You ready to get shot, brother?
I'm gonna blow the whistle again.
Hey, I gotta reload.
Oh, I don't want to get shot again. I don't want to get shot again.
Hey!
Oh, you were still in. Is that okay that he's still in?
He's still in.
I touched him.
Hey, the whistle didn't go yet. That wasn't valid.
Didn't go yet. Run, guys.
I'm touching. You, Anthony.
The whistle blew again. You were alive.
Oh, I'm touching the coal.
Well, you were alive because the whistle blew. You got shot again. Now you
You got
stay.
reason to touch the cone. That tree is out. What, 4 minutes? 4 minutes.
I'm hit.
Did I get you? Got me?
I think so. I think I did.
All right, I'll call it. That was a good shot. You got me right in the thumb. Did I drop a magazine over here?
Negative.
Did you? I didn't see one.
Garrett, you ready?
Blow up through that quick.
Break it up. Is that legal?
Point it at someone.
I got time.
We gotta move.
Ow, 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 ow. It's right my head.
Ow!
That's cold. Ow, that hurts.
Garrett, let me know when you're ready.
Okay. Ready? Steady. Go.
I'm trying my field. I'm trying my field.
All right, nice job.
Well played.
Yo, my shirt's actually dry. Holy crap.
Two minutes. Shooting a BB at each other close. I'd be surprised if you're only bleeding one.
Yeah, I was gonna say, not next to my ear.
Trevor, are you totally done?
Push right, man.
Oh. Oh, damn. Nice shot. Nice
That
shot.
was through the window, too.
Yeah, I was fucking done.
We gotta cover him. We gotta walk away.
I'm not going nowhere. Don't you
One,
point that shit at me,
two,
boy.
3. Watch the foot. Blue, you're covered. Get off. Get off.
Wow.
Blue, you're covered. Get off.
I'm not going
Get off. There you go.
Jesus Christ.
Watch that foot. You're going to get shot one of these days.
One of these days. Oh!
Ow! Shoulder blade.
I like you pointing at me.
You don't like what?
Oh. I was gonna say.
Just tossed it in there. I'm aiming at the guy to your left. You're right at me.
I will kick you square in the nut.
What, him or me? Him. I'm aiming right for your ball.
I ain't going fucking nowhere. I got 5 guns pointed at me.
Oh, he's down.
30 seconds!
He's got a second pistol. Watch it.
Yeah, I got that. Oh, shit.
Hey, we're blue.
You got me.
We're blue.
Ow!
Blue, you're covered. Respawn. Respawn, Blue.